in the heart of Mumbai CST station, amidst the crowd and chaos, a 12-year-old boy named Chintu shines shoes. But here's the twist. He does it in a suit. Every day, he wears a slightly oversized blazer and a bright red tie, no matter how hot it is. People find it amusing. Some laugh, some tip him extra. "You are too fancy for this job," they tease him. But Chintu just smiles and says, "I'm not shining shoes, I'm practicing." One regular customer, a grumpy old businessman, finally asks, "Practicing for what?" To this, Chintu replies, "For when I sit in your chair, sir, I'm going to be a CEO. I already know how to polish presentations. Now, I'm learning how to polish shoes." The man chuckles, but he's intrigued. Over the next few weeks, he keeps coming back. They talk and talk. Chintu teaches him street smart ways to save money, tells him funny customer stories, and even predicts which train will be late just by observing the signals. One day, Chintu doesn't show up. Worried, the man looks for him. He finds Chintu dressed in the same blazer, but this time holding a certificate. He won a scholarship from an NGO to attend a business school for young achievers. The businessman smiles and says, "So, you're moving from shoe polish to PowerPoint?" Chintu grins, "Almost. But I still carry my brush." Never forget where you started. The moral of this story is, confidence isn't about your clothes or your job. It's about your vision. When you treat your small beginnings with pride, big things start looking for you.